Hi guys, this is my unboxing of Micromax A110. Okay, as you can see, it's a nice phone, 5-inch screen. It belongs to my cousin actually. Here it goes. It's a nice 5-inch display. Build quality is like okay, fine. Here, as you all can see, let me focus this. There is a Micromax logo over here. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. Okay, and let's see what's in the package. First, there is a battery. Okay, it's a it's a 2000 milliamps battery. Okay, so the standard headphones for the Micromax. Okay, the charger, it's a 1 amp charger, and here it is, standard micro USB cable. Okay, now let's see what's the Micromax booklet. Warranty, and some documents. So let me put this away. Actually looks like the Galaxy Note. It got an 8 megapixel camera. Okay, now let's see what it has. I think it's a pretty very good phone. You can see there is no lagging for this phone, and display is quite good. There are no kind of gradients or any kind of pixelated color or no change in color. So it's very good, I would say. Yeah, as you can see, it is it's Android ice cream sandwich. This very good animation over here. Kernel 3.0.13. It's a custom made for Micromax, and that's it. I think you can just go over here and turn on the Wi-Fi. Let's see how the Wi-Fi works. Yeah, it works very fast, as I would have expected. Messaging. Let's see how the camera is. Let me put one object over here. See, this is my object. Yeah, as you can see, the image is pretty good. Cam is very good for the 8 megapixel camera. And other sound, let's go and test the speed. I think there is a problem with the broadband, I guess, or might be with the Wi-Fi. As you can see over here, there are no lags. The text is very much clear, crisp, as you can expect, but there are slightly some laggings, like over here when I zoom out, you'll just see some white bands over here. But that's okay. Like, this phone costs you just 10,000 rupees. What do you expect, I meant to say? Let's open up some sites like Android Authority and let's see how's the browsing experience on this site. I guess this is a problem with the internet speed and not with the phone. Yeah, the text is very much, as you can see over here, fluid. It loads it very quickly. It's as good as, you can say, Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Actually, this is running stock Android. As you can see over here, it's just plain, no custom, I mean to say no customization they have done. Let's see what kind of bands it supports. It supports WCDMA, GSM, e-video and others. And as you can see, the sound is very kind of clear, crisp and it's pretty loud. Still there is only one song. Let's see how the word search works. Hello. Yeah, it is very pretty much clear. I think the recognition is very good. Who is Mahatma Gandhi? Yeah, it is C. As you can see over here, it is showing me Mahatma Gandhi. I know it doesn't have Google now. Yeah, it gives all the kind of related information with regard with Mahatma Gandhi. Now let's try something else. Who is the president of India? Yeah, it's very good. It's same like Google Now, but it doesn't have any voice support. It directly goes to the web browser and search. Now there is one more feature. I don't know whether it's present in this Micromax, something called as Asha. So I think it is lacking in this because I had my previous Micromax phones and I don't think so it's present over here now. Oh sorry, oops, it's panorama. So you have an additional panorama feature rather than you have the default ice cream sandwich panorama feature. So let's check out the video. Just go to setting, set it on, guys. Yeah, you got the same Nexus features for this phone, and I think it's very good. These are all the options available for the video. Also, as you can see over here, you just get a kind of small thumbnail, so you can directly go to that particular picture. So rather than kind of swiping. This is lock screen which you get for the ice cream sandwich. This is not notification. I think yeah, it is scrollable. Also we'll see with the max brightness. Let's go to power control tool. Yeah, the brightness screen color is kind of very good. Headphones for this. Oops, it is actually headphone speaker. The headphones are pretty loud. So let me check something else. Most of these phones have, yeah, this is speaker. And it's very loud. Actually, it is the phone doesn't have the kind of typical how you that I mean to say the switch panel or the task manager button you have for Nexus and most of the Nexus phones, Nexus branded phones. And it got a menu button over here, the S3 type back button, and you actually have to press the home button for this, and it's pretty much fast. I was running so many apps and the phone didn't hang. Actually, I'm not signed in any of this account because it's not my phone. Also, the Play Store is not working.